force and a current carrying conductor by a magnetic field, that is, the Fleming's left-hand rule. The apparatus that we need for our experiment are two metal rods, a brass rod, a battery, copper wires, switch, and a magnetic field.
Our experiment contains a horseshoe magnet and a conductor which is free to move to and fro inside a magnetic field generated by the horseshoe magnet. As soon as we switch on the battery and the current flows through the conductor, it starts moving towards the left. So let's see why this happens. When we pass the current through the conductor, it generates the magnetic field around it. When this magnetic field interacts with external magnetic field produced by the magnet, it tries to align with it, which in turn produces a force which moves the conductor.
Fleming's rule. Fleming's rules help us to predict the movement of a current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field and the direction of the induced current. Fleming's left-hand rule. When a wire carrying electric current is placed in a magnetic field, the magnetic field induced by the wire reacts with the applied magnetic field, and the wire experiences a motion. Fleming's left-hand rule helps us to predict the movement. Fleming's left-hand rule. Extend the thumb, forefinger and the middle finger of the left hand in such a way that all the three are mutually perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger points in the direction of the magnetic field, the middle finger in the direction of the current, then the thumb points in the direction of the force exerted on the conductor.
The current flows through the conductor from point A to point B. The magnetic field is in the downward direction. So if we align the forefinger in the downward direction and the middle finger in the direction from A to B, then the thumb points towards the left. So the force exerted on the conductor should be towards the left, which is the same as we observed in our experiment.
Thank you for viewing our exhibit. Hope you understood the concept. You can now proceed to the other